Hi there. Are you a dentist looking for simple marketing that works? Do you want to keep your practice in front of people's eyes on all the social media platforms? Platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat? If so, do I have an offer for you? It's so simple, you or your office manager can do it. How simple? Very simple. Just go to our account on Fiverr.com. That's right, Fiverr.com, and click on the link below in the video description box. Once you click it, it will take you to our colorful, professional dentistry infographics made just for dental practices' social media. That's right, plus there are several methods and packages to choose from. Here are just a few samples for you to view. Preventative dental care for kids. Oral care and your health. Oral care and the elderly. You can have us post to your social media for you at a very affordable price, or you can simply purchase all of our dental graphics in a simple download and manage them yourself. Nothing could be more easy. Our graphics will appeal to your patients, young or old, and best of all, the infographics are filled with dental care facts simple enough for all of your patients to understand and follow. We even have animated graphic packages to keep your patients engaged. These graphics are so nice they can even be used in your own marketing materials such as pamphlets or on your website or newsletter. Just go to our Fiverr.com account below and order right now. Order today as we may discontinue this offer soon. You will not be disappointed.